In this lesson, we are going to understand masking. In After Effects, we use masking when we want to reveal only specific parts of any illustration or of any composition or of any image. So here I have created a composition and have imported an image. Let's drag this image to the timeline. Now to create mask, keep image selected and go to the basic shapes and select the desired one. Well, I am going to create a circular shape. Now just create the shape keeping this image selected, and just like before, hold down shift key to make it perfect circle and press space bar to move it. Okay, fine. Now it has created a mask on the image and it will reveal only that part of image which come under the circular area. Let me deselect it by double clicking other than the image. Now if we select it again and move the mask, instead of moving the mask, it will move the entire image itself. So what we can do, if we look on the timeline, we will see a mask property has been added to the image layer. Just select the mask and you will notice it has selected the nodes of the circular path. So by holding it through the path, we can move it and place on our desired position. Now we can also change mask shape just by selecting these nodes. We can move them and can also manipulate it using the handles. We will learn more about modifying shapes in the further lessons. Let me undo it. Now if we expand this mask property, we will find these 4 parameters. By using this mask path parameter, we can change the size of our mask by defining its bounding box dimensions. But it's weird to define exact size with it, so we use another method. Just cancel it, select the mask parameter and press Ctrl T to show the transform bounding box. And now we can scale or rotate the mask in any way. To scale it from center, just hold down Ctrl and Alt and it will scale it from the center. If we press Shift key with the Ctrl and Alt, it will scale it in the same proportion from the center. Now press Enter to apply the transformation. Now by using mask feather parameter, we can feather its edges. It will just add blur effect on our mask edges. Let me undo this. Mask opacity will just control the transparency of the mask. And by mask expansion, we can change area of our mask. So here is the question. Why we use transform bounding box if we have such easy way to do it? So let me clear this. First let me delete this circular mask. And now let's create a rectangular mask. Now I'm going to expand this mask by using mask expansion parameter. Notice the corners of the rectangle. When we use this mask expansion, it will automatically add roundness to the rectangular mask. And this is why we don't use it. Instead of this, if we press Ctrl T and transform it using the transformation box, it will remain the same. Let's have a look on another feature. In After Effects, we can add many masks on the same image. So let's take ellipse tool and draw a circular shape on the image. Now we have 2 masks on the same image. Expand the second mask and it will have the same parameter as of the first one. Click on this tiny arrow and it will show you some options to add, subtract and intersect of mask. Currently it's set to add, so After Effects is adding both masks. If we set it to subtract, After Effects will subtract lower mask from the upper one. If we set it to intersect, After Effects will show only intersecting area of the both masks. And if we set it to difference, After Effects will hide the intersecting area of both masks, just opposite of the intersect mode. Other 2 modes that are lighten and darken will affect the opacity of intersected area between the mask. We will have a look on it in next lesson. Let's delete the second mask. Here we have one more option, that is inverted. If we check it, it will just invert the mask. Now it will show whole image except the area covered by the mask. So these are basic concepts of masking and we will learn more about it in further lessons.